Crochet the super soft twisted ear warmers. Perfect for spring, the super soft twisted ear warmers is great for early morning walks and warming up by the campfire, when you need to warm up just a little. For this pattern, you will need one ball of Maxim Super Soft Yarn. One ball makes multiple ear warmers. You'll also need an H8 5mm hook. Start with a chain 16. Row 1. Single crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. The 3 skipped chains count as the first double crochet. Now repeat this. Double crochet in the next chain, single crochet in the next chain. Repeat to the end, then turn. When finished, you should have 7 double crochets, 7 single crochets. Row 2, this is the right side of your work. Chain 3 counts as the first double crochet now and throughout the pattern. Single crochet in the next stitch, and then follow this repeat. Double crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat that to the end. You should have 7 double crochets, 7 single crochets. Repeat row 2 until your ear warmer measures approximately 18.5 inches for children and 22 inches for adults, or to the desired length. Twist and seam the ear warmer. Start by lying your headband flat with one end of the headband on your right and one on your left. Fasten off, leaving a long tail for seaming. Locate the center between the 7th and 8th stitch of the end on your left and align it with the last stitch of the end on your right, making sure that both of the right sides are facing each other. Fold the beginning stitch on the right end around to meet with the center of the left end on the opposite side. Then fold the remaining left side over the right. Using your hook or darning needle, continue seaming together the ends, ensuring to include all layers of the folded pieces. When finished seaming, unfold so the right side is facing out. Shape, then weave in the ends. Thank you for crocheting this free pattern with us. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles, and happy crafting!